Welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this channel video, we will discussing about how to scan the document of the with the image base. You use your camera, your phone camera, and your PC. You can see the document, and we recognize the edges, and you can also check it out the one simple pictures, and you can also see our 200 followers. Thank you for your watching picture, and you can see this in this report. We will discussing about the detect the edge, using the edge, counting the respect uh, piece of the paper scanned. Apply the perception, just transform object to the top down views document. So let's start how to run and how to work our algorithm. So simply I am updating my folder in Sublime textbook. I know we are these days we cannot uploading the videos officially. We now we daily basis active and updating soon daily basis videos. Necessary libraries, you can see the initialize the coordinates. Also you can see the class of the order of the point peak, and you can see the written the warm image. Okay, this is the function. Okay, so here is our main source files. I will show you important necessary files: computer vision, sk image, filtering, function name, help function. You can see the folder of the help functions. So consider argument paper of the you can mention check the mention image path and requirement. So load the image. After loading the image to convert in the grayscale, ranges is find the counters. After find the counters, you can see the loop. After loop, you can apply the precision transformation threshold. Okay, and original scanned image. So let's see. I have already opened my terminal. You can check it out. Document and function folder images, and here. So you I will update my git account, and you can go to the Noorcoca 99 and you get the code, this code in my git account. You link in description. Not worry about to the code. Okay, so I will running algorithm python document scan.py. You can open the algorithm. Okay, and put here I and image folder and images name. I will show you one image name is w.jpg. So you can see that we are targeting three things here: edges, grayscale, and original. Sorry for interrupt between the video. Okay, you can see the now second image will be targeted to python file name document. Okay, I image and image name. Here putting the page. You will check it out the result within seconds. Okay, here you can see the edges, grayscale and original. I will press the Q button, and python image name will be recept. You just upload the image and you get the result within seconds. Yeah, so today our target is the how to scan the document with the technique of OpenCV. You can see the detect edges and edges image piece of the image scan. Apply the perception transform to update top down views. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.